Rumors spreading round about Texas town. That home outside the range. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home outside the range. You know what I'm talking about.
All right, everybody, we're over here today by Bryson City, one of my favorite places to ride. We stayed at the Iron Horse Motorcycle Lodge. If you see in our last video, we had some pictures of that up. Less than an hour away from the Iron Horse Motorcycle Lodge is what we're doing now, the Dragon's Tail. You ride the Dragon's Tail, it's a great ride, great time. But the reason I love this area is because there's just so much to do that people don't realize. Today we're going to go to Darnell's Farms over by Bryson City, talk to Nate the farmer. Nate is awesome. He's one of the hardest working people I know. He's always got something going on, and we're lucky today. We're going to go visit him at his shop before we go to the farm, and he's going to show us some of his old motorcycles. And the reason why I like Nate so much, you'll see. Check out Nate the farmer.
Well, everybody, Nate the farmer here. I'm out in the third set of tomatoes. I've not had the opportunity to get a video for you guys. Hey everybody, Nate the farmer here. So, had a lot of questions about the corn maze. Had a couple people I know personally tell me if I didn't do a video before we cut it and then after we cut it, they were going to be extreme. He was just so excited, and my cousin Casey brought her girls in, Lillian and Camilla, and just so much fun to see everybody. I was so excited. All right, guys, I'm gonna head over here, and I got a wonderful fellow, David Gunner, from down in town. We're putting together a canning setup here. We're gonna show people how to can fresh tomatoes so you can have tomatoes all year long. We're gonna run over here to the stage and see.
So you think you can tell?
Everybody is in two-stroke stuff now, you know?
This is the side y'all don't know about Nate right here, and this is what brings me into town. When I first stopped at the farm, I just wanted to get some food, man. And when I met Nate, I said, "Oh, that's a cool dude." And told him next time I was in town, I'd come see him. So here I am.
You can't beat a shop that has old tractors next to old motorcycles.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I wanted to get some video of this.
So we're, you know, I only got 10, 15 project going on. Here's a 67 BSA. We covered up in leather, of course, because it's halfway done. Getting a new crank done on it. We're gonna clean the frame up. Here's my first motorcycle I ever bought. 76 iron head right side shift on a Paco frame with an ugly Super Glide front end. We're gonna do away with that, get a girder fork under it. And here's my baby, the one I ride the most. 71 Norton.
The Commando.
It's she's getting going back to single Mikuni. She's getting away from the double animal. I love them, but I'm tired of working on them. So she's getting a little bit of work done. We did the top end last year. Gonna go back to the single Mikuni. All stuff like that. We're putting the respoke in there. Never done spokes before. We're gonna do spokes this year. I'm gonna do it all. And I bought these little CVs the other day from a guy for 350 bucks. This CB 350 and a CB 450 project on a hardtail. And then there's the 79, baby. Unmolested for the most part. That's just when you get on kick and play. Kick only, That's what I'm training everybody on right here. So you're gonna learn to ride on my shop. You gotta ride a kick-only bike.
There you go.
You can kick them. You can, if your knee limp when you get done off that Sportster from that missing that cog, you know.
Or
Man,
if you jump it when that compression's too much.
Oh gosh, yeah. I don't know what. I had an Evo for a long time and I love it. I gave it to my brother-in-law. And he just got it rebuilt. So.
Well, listen, Nate, I didn't come to interview today. Just tell her real quick, just because we're doing this, just say, give us your farm, your address, all that good stuff.
All right,
That's how we're doing it, man.
When we're not playing with motorcycles, we're farming, we're growing fresh vegetables, we're taking kids on rides around the farm, and we're showing people a good time. It's right on the banks of the Tuckasegee River, in Brownston, North Carolina, 2300 Governor's Island Road. We're looking forward to seeing anybody come out and share the farm. Come see us.
Thank you.